Let's draw a cool rocket ship, ready to fly into space. Start with a big oval body, just like a football shape. Add 2 wings on the sides to keep the rocket steady. At the back, draw a tail with flames. Whoosh! The rocket is ready to blast off. Draw a pointed nose at the front. That helps it zoom super fast. Now add a round window in the center. Our astronaut needs to see the stars. Let's draw some small shapes on the body, just like spaceship lights. Awesome! Your rocket is ready for an adventure in space. Great job! Make the drawing more visible. Guess the color. Green color. Orange color.